Hi students, welcome back to the Google Classroom of Class 7 Political Science, Chapter 9 Struggle for Equality. I hope all of you have studied the previous chapters of this political science very well and you all performed very well in your test paper. Children, today we would focus on the topic Struggles for Equality. In this political science book, you have read about people like Kanta, the Ansaris, etc. The thread that connects all of these lives is that they have been treated unequally. What do people do when they face such inequalities? History is full of examples of persons who have come together to fight against inequality and for issues of justice. Do you recall the story of Rosa Parks in chapter 1? Yes. Do you remember the photo essay on women's movement in chapter 5? Yes. In this chapter, you will learn about some of the ways in which people have struggled against inequality. So, children, what is equality? The state of being equal, especially in status, rights, or opportunities. That is equality. Struggles for equality. Throughout the world, in every community, village, city, and town, you will find there are some people who are not respected because of their fight for equality. These people may have stood up against an act of discrimination that they faced or witnessed. Children, look at this slide. Do you recognize all these persons? Yes. Often, some of these persons become more widely recognized because they have the support of large numbers of people who have united to address a particular issue of inequality. As we read before about methods used by women's movement to raise issues of equality, the Tawa Matsya Sangh in Madhya Pradesh is another example of people coming together to fight for an issue. Tawa Matsya Sangh is popularly known as TMS. In which state? Madhya Pradesh. Okay. There are many such struggles, such as those among BD workers, fisher folk, agricultural laborers, slum dwellers, and each group is struggling for justice in its own way. There are also many attempts to perform by which people can have more control over resources. Here, dam is built across a river at sites where one can collect lots of water. This forms a reservoir, and as the water collects, it submerges vast areas of land. This is a photo of the submergence caused by Tehri Dam in Uttarakhand. The old Tehri town and 100 villages, some totally and some partially, were submerged by this dam. Nearly 1 lakh people were displaced because of the construction of this dam. Then, what are the main reasons for inequality in India? First one is poverty. There is a wide gap between the poor and the rich, or haves and have-nots. There is a wide gap. That is the first reason for inequality. Then next one is religion. Caste. On the basis of religion, caste, people are divided into many groups. Then on the basis of gender, male and female. Okay. First one is poverty. Poverty leads to inequality. Some people are rich and the wealth accumulated in the hands of some people. Some are haves and some are have-nots. So there is a wide gap between the rich and the poor. Children, look at this picture. Someone got you Adidas instead of Nike. They only have one brand. Look at this picture. This is a clear picture of inequality. Next one is on the basis of religion. Creative expressions against inequality. While some joined protest movements to fight inequality, others might use their pen or their voices or the ability to dance to draw the attention to the issue of inequality. Writers, singers, dancers, and artists also have very active in the fight against inequality. Often stories, poems, and songs can also inspire us and make us believers in an issue and influence our efforts to correct the situations. So the methods of Satyagraha and Satyameva Jayate, all these express a feeling of equality among the people. Lack of access to services or decision making that it will leads to poor education, health and status, and also leads to illiteracy, poor health conditions, etc. That means that the Dalits are unable to earn as much money as others. This leads to poverty. So all these people, all these poor people become very poor because of these inequalities. Okay. Then poverty and lack of dignity, respect for certain communities and groups come together in such powerful ways that it is difficult to identify where one aspect of inequality ends and other begins. As we have read, Dalit, Adivasi, and Muslim girls drop out of schools in large numbers. This is combined outcome of poverty, social discrimination, and lack of good quality school facilities for these communities. In India, it is the case that the poor consist of a majority of members of Dalit, Adivasi, and Muslim communities and are often women. Children, look at this map. This is a statewide distribution of poverty in the year 2004 to 5. Okay. Over 1,500 persons attended a public hearing in Lucknow in 2001 to protest violence against women. Over 15 cases of violence were heard by a jury of eminent women who played the role of the judge. This people's jury helped to highlight the lack of support on the legal system who seek justice in such cases. Children, now you take your textbook and mark all the important points in your textbook. First one, in the first paragraph, last sentence. Write down there, what do you mean by the power over the ballot box? Mark from all adults till the end of that paragraph, till their representatives. Listen carefully. What do you mean by power over the ballot box? All adults in India have the equal right to vote during elections, and their power over the ballot box has been used by the people to elect or represent or replace their representatives. Then you should mark the third paragraph, last sentence. Poverty and the lack of resources continue to be a key reason why so many people's lives in India are highly unequal. Children, read your textbook very well and write your notes, make it up to date. Okay. So our politics chapters are over. Children, once more I remind you, complete your notes and study well. Okay. Children, please note that the corresponding URL, notes of the lesson and test paper are also attached along with this video. Make use of all these available resources, study well and attend the test paper without fail. Thank you.